Hey, welcome everyone. Welcome. How are you doing? So, this is my um trying to do my analysis for the week, and as we all know, in a couple of hours, the market is going to open in a couple of hours. So, and for me, I feel this is very important to do this, to always prepare ahead of the week and also ahead of the day, and also so that I don't end up just taking trades on the go or taking impromptu trades. Yeah, so it's enough discipline alone to just stick to planned trades, if I must use that word. So for this week, I'm not going to be looking at a lot of pairs, just basically three pairs, but most especially two. Like you see on my watch list, I have Euro USD, NAS 100 as Nasdaq 100 index, and then gold. But my main focus is on Euro USD and Nasdaq. And like as we all know, gold is as we all know the way currently right now gold is has taken out all the all-time highs and is just facing upward. So the analysis for gold might be a little more complex now. Why? Because due to the kinds of market condition we are in right now. So for this week, I will focus more on Euro USD and Nasdaq. So right here with me, I have Euro USD 1 week time frame. Like you can see the analysis I've done already. So Euro USD, we have 1 week, the 1 week time frame. So and as we can see for a while now, Euro USD has been bullish for a while. It has Euro USD has been bullish for a while now. Yeah. So maybe probably targeting this buy side liquidity. Yes. So according to the ICT concepts, we understand that price is always seeking liquidity and inefficiencies. So, not to complicate things further, what am I looking for? I'm trying to spot those areas of liquidity, and then I'm trying to see if there is any gap, those fair value gaps. Inefficiencies can be or can also be called fair value gap. So, right here with me, I can see this move. This move, price pushed upward, created a fair value gap, fee entered into the fair value gap, push upward again, created another fair value gap, and continue pushing upward, of which price might be coming towards taking these buy side liquidities or coming to fill this inefficiency up there. But right here, what do we have here? We have sell side liquidity, and then we also have buy side liquidity. So if we look at this buy side liquidity, the way it was taken out, so we see that this area here on the weekly chart, this area, so we can see how all the bodies of the candles within that area closed below the liquidity, and only the candles went above the liquidity. Like we can see the structure of the turning point of what happened there. We can see the structure, and most of the times once price takes out liquidity like that, it's either looking for the nearest liquidity. So what is the nearest liquidity? You have the sell side liquidity. Okay, so yeah, so for this week I'm looking to see if price is going to draw below to this sell side liquidity which I've marked out before going up. Let me come down to a daily chart. So yeah, so we can see that we can see the picture clearer from a daily time frame. We can see the sweep of liquidity, then we can see the break change in state of delivery. We can see this change in state of delivery, and then we can see the fair value gap, and then just push price below. So that's what I'll be looking at for Euro USD. Then coming to NQ. NQ. So let's start from the weekly time frame. So for NQ, really nothing much, but so NQ also has been quite bullish for a while. For a while now, we can see the weekly time frame. We can see the way price just pointing towards the upside. So what do we have here? So nearest to our recent price action, we have this fair value gap um underneath. Let me mark that out. Fair value gap. Yeah. So and then we also have buy side liquidity. And then we also have buy side liquidity. So we are looking towards price coming down to dip into this fair value gap. So the fair value gap acting like a draw as a draw on liquidity, or price could just decide to want to go and take out BSL before going. So it, so yes, that's what we're going to be looking at. Let me come to a daily time frame, and we can see that after this, I think this happened. This was caused by this particular candle was during the news. So we can see after this massive bearish candle, we can see as though price begins is creating somewhat of like a consolidation within this area here, within this area here. So that's why for Nasdaq we're just going to be careful. So we'll be looking at this fair value gap, but most especially the buy side liquidity to be taken out. So yes, so thank you so much, and that will be all for now. Thank you.